Hi, it's Joe from Level Up Your Gym, and I intentionally stay out of talking about the training and nutrition side of things because as a gym owner, I'm going to assume you have a little bit of your own philosophies and you have that stuff covered. But this relates a little bit more to running the business and the marketing side, so I want to cover it. And that is the simple principle of meeting people where they're at and building success to help them where they want to go. Sounds general, but we miss a lot of opportunities specifically on the nutrition side. First, I'll give you an example of training because it's a little more clear to see. Member comes in and you say, we're going to do 10 push-ups. They get to 8, they fail. And say, oh no. And you say, oh, well, hey, we can do them elevated. And you can regress them to elevated. Instead, you could do elevated and they can say, that's too easy. And then you move them to the floor. So you've built up a success. Same 2 exercises, but if they're coming in first to you, they probably have some reservations. If you make them nervous by feeling like, oh, you failed at something small. To us, it's small. To them, it's huge. Then they're not set up for success. Now, here's what I mean about the nutrition side. You want to build up people for easy wins. Someone who's just starting out, maybe it's their first fitness experience with you, you want to meet them where they're at and give them very simple goals like drink more water, drink X amount of water, check that box for a week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever. It could be just the one focus. Up to people who have been with you a long time, you're going to give them more guidelines. Often I see those initial people just given too much and they're overwhelmed by that information. Start simple with the nutrition tips. Drink more water, eat more protein, eat more veggies. They can focus a different week on each. Spread it out so they're starting to feel like they're more successful. They're starting to identify more as a healthy person, and they're going to stay with you and your business a lot longer than if you just give them too much at once and they feel overwhelmed. So today's tip, break things down to bite-sized chunks, pun intended, especially with nutrition. If you found that helpful, go ahead and share this with any other gym owners using the form below.